Finally starting the build on the Air Force 1's. What's up, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be cutting out all the materials and making the Air Force 1 all from scratch. If you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like it, and if you're returning, thank you, and let's get right to building this awesome shoe. So I already have the material set up. I'm using black python skin, black leather, and then from there I'm either going to be using the peach python, the orange leather, or the anaconda. So I'm going to do a black python toe, or wrap around the front part, and then the toe box is going to be just normal black leather, and then all on the outside is going to be all black, but then on the inside I'm going to do a color either orange or red on the inside part with the Nike sign the same color. Going back, the back tab is going to be a color as well, and probably the middle piece right there, but that's gonna pretty much be it. And then at the very end I'll paint this the color, but that's just kind of my rough rundown on it. I kind of want to make it all black and nice and clean, but I'm not sure yet. My mind changes up just cutting out materials. So with further ado, let's start cutting out materials and then we'll go from there. So I'm pretty happy with where I am right now with the shoe. Everything's cut out, peach color, and then you got black color. So the outside is going to be all black as you saw, and then the inside is going to be the middle part, and then the back half is going to be orange or the peach color. So when you're walking around from when people are looking at you, it kind of looks all black, but then if they get a glance of the inside of your shoe, then they could tell it's actually orange there. So I think that would be super cool, as well as I'm going to be doing some different things. I'll explain it more once I get to those processes, but like, for example, there's going to be some weird threading, but when I'm done with it, it's going to look like super unique and cool, as well as the Nike signs. I haven't cut those out yet because I don't want to cut those till I get to that step, as well as I got to cut out some liners still. So I'm not sure with that. Comment down what you think I should do. The liner for the inside, you know, that touches your sock. I'm thinking about orange, either all orange or like an orange with a design in the back. So that'll be cool, something to think about. But I still have that open for now. But as we're talking, you know, I just got all these patterns cut. I'll make a video soon on how I make my patterns. As you can see, just simple patterns. This is my Nike sign. This is my back tab. I just get some old shoe, I cut it up. So for example, my Velcro ones, you know, so Velcro on one side, Louis Vuitton leather on the other side. I pretty much just cut it out, trace it out, and then you go from there. So that's how I pretty much have this whole Air Force One shoe, so that's cool. But, you know, until then, I'll show more later, but for now this is pretty much where I'm at. I'll edit this video, get it out, so then I could get to stitching all this, because that's where it's going to get super fun, super cool. I think I'm going to use all black thread. I'm not too sure yet, maybe orange, but for now I'm thinking more of just all black thread, keep it nice, clean. But maybe I'll do some orange thread, or either that or, you know, some peach thread or white thread. You know, it's just, limitations are endless. But, you know, until then, I'll get to you guys later. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out all my other videos, and leave a comment down on what liner you think I should do, what color. See ya. Thank you.